Namaskar. On the eve of the Teachers' Day, I want to share a small and a short story as a tribute to the teachers. It goes as there was a student who went and met his teacher after many years of his education and goes and greets the teacher, and the teacher fails to recognize him. And the student says and introduces himself as so and so, and in the which year he has studied under him, and says that he had come to seek his blessings. The teacher happily gives his blessings, and the student once again asks, "Sir, don't you still remember me or recognize me?" Then the teacher says, "No, I'm unable to recollect." So then the student says, "Sir, I want to share an incident which changed my life and had made me what I am today. And the main reason for me to be what I am today and to reach to this height is you. So I thought I would pay my respects and gratitude for making me what I am today." And the teacher still couldn't recollect. Then the student tells us, "Once when I was very young in your class and you were my class teacher, I had my eyes on the watch of one of my classmates who wore it to the class and came, and I was not that rich enough to afford to buy one, but I liked it so much that it compelled me to take it out from his bag in his absence when the whole class went out. Then the student who lost his watch has come and complained to you, saying that he has lost his watch, and you handled the whole situation so well and so cool, and you said, 'Let every one of you stand in line and close your eyes and get your bags to me.' And every student, bags and pockets. So every student came in, and you found the watch in my pocket. And after the search was over, you have told the student that you have found the watch and you have returned it to him and asked him to be careful about it. Then, after everyone had left, I came and asked you, 'Sir, when you have searched everyone's pockets and you couldn't find it anywhere, you could find it in my pocket. You could have made it a very big scene, but you didn't. How come you didn't either punish me or tell out in front of the class or inform to my parents about this incident or complain to your higher authorities about this?' Then the teacher says, "I didn't wanted to humiliate anyone in this tender age, and also had I too had opened my eyes, I would have known it was you. How would I know that it was you when I too closed my eyes when I was searching the pockets of the students?" This is the incident which was narrated to the teacher by that particular student who did this unknowingly out of a wish to have a particular watch which his classmate had and he couldn't afford to buy. This, the student goes on sharing with the teacher again, saying that my whole life would have gone into a different direction if you had identified me in front of the whole class and complained about me to the principal or to my parents. Never I would have been able to prove my honesty once again in my life. Neither did you complain, nor did you question me, but you taught me such a good lesson, and you have made me a better person with honesty, integrity, and sincerity. And this is what makes the profession of teaching so unique. The concern for each and every student, irrespective of their strata, caste, creed, or religion, or whatever other factors may be. The teacher always tries to impart all the good he or she has learned to its wards without expecting any other recognition other than their welfare and growth. With this, I want to once again wish each and every member of my team a happy Teachers' Day, and humble salutations to each and every one of you for being so passionate and filled with compassion and love and walking with me towards the vision of making Akshara the best. Thank you. Jai Hind. Namaskar.